unboxing boat rugby Bluetooth speaker. You can see outer case is damaged, which is delivered by Flipkart today. And here a Bluetooth speaker and accessories and instruction book maybe. A very cheap quality aux cable, not a good quality micro USB. Micro USB also having cheap quality, and there is an instruction manual. Okay, now telling about some specification. Boat rugby having two speakers, both of 5 watt, so output will be 10 watt, and a passive radiator for super bass. This technology actually used by Bose only. Now boat is using passive radiator super bass technology, and with inbuilt microphone. Okay, and 8-hour battery backup. Actually boat rugby having 1800 mAh battery. Okay, 2.1 channel, which means 2 speaker and a woofer. There are 2 speaker, 5 watt and 5 watt, and total gives 10 watt output, and a woofer or there is woofer with for bass. Actually boat comes with
Ready. Pairing successful.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
we are going to test how much dB produced by boat. Now we are starting. When you connect your speaker with aux cable, it will show a solid red light indicator. Now playing sound.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Comparing with JBL Go. JBL Go having 3 watt output and only one channel speaker, and both having 2.1 channel speaker with 10 watt output. Now we are comparing with JBL Flip 2. JBL Flip 2 having 12 watt output and both having 10 watt output. But I have heard JBL Flip 2, I can say both wins in terms of sound quality and loudness, and clarity is equal. You can't find any distortion in both speakers with high volume. Flip 2 having very low bass. If we are comparing with both rugby, JBL Flip 2 having very low bass and both rugby having very huge bass with this size, I can say. No memory card slot, no pen drive slot, and no FM with these two speakers. And JBL Flip 2 having battery level indicator, and you can change song. If you're going to buy a Bluetooth speaker, I will suggest you to buy both rugby with compared to JBL Flip, Protonics or Zook Rocker 2. I can say both